What's up, YouTubers? This is Staff Sergeant Cashman. This is my son Zachariah. We're building this 2017 Mustang together. Got a Auto Mafia Racing 50 millimeter blow-off valve. I can push it in, so there's already a spring in there. However, it does come with another spring. I guess this is for higher boost levels later on as I upgrade other stuff, and I don't know, maybe have to mix this one and the one that's in there for more tension on it. But I'm gonna put it to the side for now until I find out what I'm gonna do with that. The kit comes with a little nipple here. It's got a crush washer. It's got one of these with the hole in it so that when you put this in, it all lines up together. But what you really wanna do is put this crush washer on. And all these come supplied with the kit. We're gonna put that on. Then you put the other crush washer on. We're gonna put that on the top. Okay. Now we're gonna kind of just, you know, not snug it, but keep it loose for now because later on it's gonna go on this charge pipe in here. And I have to put this O-ring around here. But before you do that, you have to put, like if you put it on, this is not an easy part. This is gonna be hard to do. So I'm gonna need multiple hands to help, but you gotta use this O-ring lubricant and you're gonna oil grease up this ring so that it lasts longer and it'll work better. And then we're gonna put this piece on top of here, like so. And then this is gonna go around the bottom of blow-off valve. Okay. Now we got that. Let's take that off for now. That piece, like I said, just leave it so that you can move it around because the boost reference is gonna come from off the wastegate to here through a T. There's also a T plastic piece that I have that it's gonna have the boost controller, and it's also gonna be plugged into here and plugged into the wastegate. Anyway, let's start with this. I'm gonna open this up. It's got a little twist thing, nice, pretty easy to use, you know. And you wanna just stretch it out a little bit. So when you go to put it on, you don't mess up the bottom over here and any of the black, so it's nice and tight and good. So now this is the difficult part. The dirty part. Now it doesn't even want to stay on dry. Imagine when I put oil lubricant, you know, O-ring lubricant on it, it's going to be even more slippery. They say this is the hardest thing to do. It's a pain in the neck. Nobody likes to do it. Caleb from Auto Mafia Racing will tell you it sucks. It's just you know, you got to put some of this lubricant on there. And then, you know, you only need a little bit, but you want to make sure it's nice and on there. Kind of feels a little sticky, but not really. Wipe this off with my little shop towel so I ain't got it on my fingers. Now we're gonna take the charge pipe. Come here, Zachariah. I'm gonna need your help, son. We're gonna put this over here. We're gonna close up the, I'll move that out of the way or whatever. Yeah, put that in there. Okay. Now, I'm going to attempt to put this O-ring on here. There you go. Now you want to kind of like roll it a little bit if you can. And make it stay. Hopefully it stays.
Sticky.
No, it's not sticky. Oh, it's staying on. Okay, now while that's on, Zach, can you please grab this and then put it on top of here and hold it tight. Okay? You got it, boy? All right. Thank you for all your help, my son. We're building race cars here. Race cars and dreams, baby. Yep. Now I'll put this back in here. I'm gonna turn it. Until it gets back on there. There we go. Okay. Make sure you hold that piece and hold this side so it doesn't go, okay? Let me see.
Oh, it's coming off.
Oh no. All right, wait. You have to hold it on there. Tight. Hold on. Let's do this. Okay. A little bit. Hold on. Watch out. Hold on. Put that piece there. And put that on top. And make sure it's snug. Okay? Yeah, hold it on there. And then that wasn't actually too bad, considering. But I got multiple hands. You definitely need 2 hands to do this, because there's no way that you'd be able to get that ring to stay there while you're putting this on and twisting this at the same time. So there's a lot of things going on right now.
You need 2 hands. You mean 4 hands?
4, 6.
2 sets of hands.
As many as we can get, okay?
Can I let go?
Now you can let go. There you go. And there is the blow-off valve. And there's the little nipple. I'm gonna just connect a little piece of hose to that. It goes to the back of the car, to the blow-off valve, and yeah. So that was a nice little piece there. Easy to do, not too hard. You can go like this, you know, just kind of snug it down, make sure it's on there. And grab some pliers. Okay, put some pliers on it, just make it a little more snug. You don't want to strip this piece here, because you just, you know, then you have to get a new clamp, and that's a pain in the butt and it's hard to find. But it comes with the clip. Make sure it's on there. Maybe do a little tighter. Yeah, that's about it. And then this piece should not move at all. It is on there. And then, like I said, leave this piece so it can swivel around, so you can put the boost line reference from here and figure out how you want to place it. So I just snug it up like that. And there you go. That's the charge pipe that goes to the intake and the throttle body. So actually goes, this is one of the pipes that goes to the throttle body. And there you go. Not that hard. Just needed a couple hands to do it. But trying to do it by yourself, really difficult. Don't even attempt it, because it's pretty much like you gotta put it in a vise, or you gotta have somebody hold it, and you need, like I said, 4, 6 hands, as many hands as you can get on it to hold it in place, and then do what you gotta do. But looks good, nice piece. Got a whole bunch more stuff to do. Just waiting on my fuel pump to come. So I gotta do injectors still. I gotta do spark plugs. I'm gonna upgrade the intake also to a Holley EFI with a mount. I gotta purchase that next from Auto Mafia Racing. Shout out to Caleb, the sponsor of my 2017 Ford Mustang 3.7 liter. And yeah, that's the end of the video, and just showing you how you do it. Not really too bad, pretty simple. There's a video out there on Auto Mafia Racing's website that you can order this stuff from, and order the kit and just put it together yourself. Okay? All right, guys. Well, that's it for now. And as we build more parts and put more stuff together and put on the intercooler and all of that good stuff, and chop up the exhaust, do a couple things we got to do with that. Bolt on the turbo and put on the BMR K member on the front. I'm gonna do that next, I think. So I'll make a video on that coming up soon. But stay in touch. Keep up. Peace out.